In this lecture, we are going to generate the 3D model of this drawing, which is a plate. And this is the 3D model that we are going to generate. So now let us close this file and open a new file and create the model. Let us start by creating a sketch. Click on the sketch icon and we'll use this plane. And let us create two circles. First circle we'll create with the diameter of 300. And the second circle we'll use the same center, which is the origin, with a diameter of 130. Now click on Exit Workbench and we'll use pad. We'll give a value of 15. Click on OK. Now let us select hole on this face, position sketch. Move the hole somewhere here. Now we'll select the point and this plane and we'll coincide it. We'll give a dimension from this point to this plane, a value of 160 divided by 2. Now Exit Workbench. This is a through hole, so we'll use up to last with a diameter of 18. Click on Preview and then click on OK. Now we'll go to Insert, Transformation Features, Mirror and select this hole. Now it is asking for the mirroring element, which is this plane. You can see a preview somewhere here. Now just click on OK to create another hole here. Now let us create hole on this face again. We'll use position sketch. We'll take this hole and we'll take this plane, coincide. Now we'll take the dimension. This has a PCD of 240. So from here to here, the pitch circle radius is 240 divided by 2. Click on Enter and you can see the point is constrained. Exit Workbench. This has a diameter of 20 and it is up to last because it is through hole. Now just we have to click OK to create the hole. We'll go to Insert, Transformation Features, Circular Pattern. In Objects to Pattern, click here and select this hole. In the reference direction, select here and we have to select this cylinder, because this cylinder's axis is the axis of rotation for our circular pattern. Now we have to create 6 instances and the value is 360 divided by 6. You can see this is what we want. Now click on OK. And you can see we have created our model. Now let us save this file. We'll go to File, Save As. We will save it in our Valve Assembly folder and give a name as Plate. Click on Save. Now this file can be used in our assembly module.